Hey guys, today I thought that I would sit down and play with one of the holiday gift sets from Tarte. This is the Gift and Glam Collector's Set. I mentioned this in my holiday gifts at Ulta video. This is the one with the 4 pans that fit in an interchangeable palette. It comes with a mascara and gloss. If you guys are curious to see swatches, try-on, tutorial, hear my first impressions, then just keep watching. So the box looks like this. It shows you exactly what you're getting: the interchangeable compact, the mascara, the gloss, and the 4 different palettes. And inside is this beautiful rose gold kind of glitter and sequin combination with a lift up top and mirror, and a pull out drawer with the gloss, the mascara, and the little palette. I'm going to start off with face makeup first. So the first item in here, the first little palette in here is the one with Winter Wonderland, which is this bronzer right here. That is the shade of the bronzer, so we're going to give that a try, and then it has cool tone shadows, which I'll do separately. So I'm going to start with face makeup, and then we'll move on to eyes. It's looking very warm tone on my skin tone. With bronzer, without. Okay, so the face is bronzed. It's a little warm for my skin tone, but it works in a pinch. So that was the first face product, Winter Wonderland. Next, we have 2 blush options. We have this very pink one called Winter Kisses. Here's Winter Kisses. And then we have a more peachy tone one called 'Tis the Season. And it looks like 'Tis the Season has just a hint of shimmer to it. Yeah, this has just a hint of shimmer, and this is just straight up matte pink. I think I'm going to go the warmer route because there really aren't any pinky shadows. So I'm going to go the warmer route with blush, which is 'Tis the Season. Oh, that's strong. Woo. Okay, so that's a nice color. They're very strong blushes, so start out light. And then finally we have a highlight. This one is Fa La La, and it looks like a kind of goldy highlight right here. Ooh, definitely a yellow gold highlight, so we're gonna try that lightly on the face. It's not too yellow for me, I don't think, but I'm going to spray my face and see if I can intensify it a bit. Doesn't get much stronger. It's just like a nice kind of light yellow gold shine on the face. It doesn't really look wet, but it's fine. I mean, it looks really intense here, but on the face it's not quite as crazy. Okay, so it's a nice highlight shade. I feel like it would work for people with fair skin tone, light, medium. Not sure about deep. This might be too icy for deeper skin tones, but I would say fair to medium. This would work fine. You could probably also mix this in with some other shades in a pinch. If you are a deeper skin tone, you could probably mix this with like one of these more kind of like coppery shades for a deeper skin tone highlight shade. Alright, so those are the face products, so now let's start off with some swatches of the eye products. And since I just had the highlight one out, we will do the swatches of these shades. We have Slay My Name, Elfed Up, Button Nose, Blizzard, and Brassy and Sassy. So here is the first little pan. These are really intense. Look promising. Next we have the little pan with the 'Tis the Season blush. We have Sugar Dusted, Ring It In, Bronzy and Bright, Yuletide, and Angel Kisses. The names are really cute. Some of them have this marbled pan look where there's like 2 or 3 shades mixed in. And here are the swatches for this little pan right here. They give them the metallics look really intense and really nice. Next we have the other blush palette. This is a blush palette with Winter Kisses, and we have Snow Dust, Icy, Luxe, Present, and Winter and Chill. And you can see what I mean about the kind of like mixed pan, where this one's got like cranberry and blue and tan in it, and then you swirl it all together to get one shade. That's what that marbled one looks like down here. It's like a berry tone with some icy blue in it. And finally we have the contour pan. This one is the one with Winter Wonderland. We have Icicle, Winter Wish, Treetops, Sage, Garland. So here are the 5 shadows from that pan. First I want to start with the lip gloss and see what that's about. I've never tried their lip gloss. This is the Busy Gal Gloss, and it's in the shade Bonus. It's like a little squeezy tube. It's very slick. You can kind of feel the glitter when you rub your lips together a little bit, but it's mostly just like a golden glossy shine. We'll see if it sinks in or if it gets glossier while I do the eye makeup. Start with this cream shade and just put it all over the lid. I'm going to stay in this palette and grab this as my transition shade. Okay, I had to build it up a bit, but it works fine. It's blending out nicely. It's not grabbing or getting patchy anywhere. Next, I'm going to move over to this palette. I think I want to grab this green shade, the Treetops, and kind of dust that on the lid. That applies as a very weak color, so I'm going to try applying it with my finger. Yeah, that's better. That's a pretty color, and I could stop right there, but I think I want to add a little bit of the Cool Tone Brown to the outer corner, just to kind of deepen it up a little bit. And I would leave it like that, but I think I want to highlight, so I'm going to grab this shade up here, Icicle, and highlight the brow bone and the inner corner. Okay, I'd say this one's a little chunky for like a highlight shade. It's a little too glittery. But, I mean, it works in a pinch. And then I think I want to go into this other shade and take this berry shade Luxe on the lower lash line. I haven't done like a berry tone on the lower lash line for a while, so I want to give that a try. I'm also carrying it up onto the outer part of the top lid. So that's what the eye look looks like. I think it's pretty. I probably could toss on a lot more shades, but they blend well, they apply well, they're not patchy, they're not grabbing anywhere. So now I want to try this mascara. So this is the Man Eater Mascara. I've heard good things about this, but I have not tried it myself. I don't think. Okay, it's a very intense brush. It has a million tiny, tiny, tiny little bristles. So hopefully this will separate and do a really nice job for volume. That did a really nice job of separating the lashes. They're really full looking, but separated. That looks really nice. Wow. Okay, this is a good mascara so far. I'm gonna do the lower lash line. Why aren't more people talking about this mascara? This is amazing. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see how full and spread out my lashes are over here? So before, after, quite the improvement. This mascara is really good. And the gloss, it has kind of sunk into my lips a bit, so it's not quite as greasy and slippery as it was initially. So the gloss feels nice. It's definitely super shiny, so if you don't want like a ridiculously shiny gloss, I'd say steer clear, but I do like a super shiny gloss like the Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow lip ones. Those are still some of my favorites. And then the palettes, I mean, it is nice because you can kind of just take one with you, whichever one you are mainly using. Like today, I would say I mostly used this palette. I used this as my deepening shade, this is my crease shade, and this is my base shade. So if you want like a super simple look, you can take one with you. However, you're only going to get one face product. You're going to get a highlight, a bronzer, or a blush, not all three. So perhaps your blush fades during the day and you want to take a shadow and blush with you, I mean, that would work. But if your bronzer and your highlight fade during the day and you need two, they only give you one little travel palette, so that wouldn't really work. So it is a cute holiday gift idea. I do like the products that come in it. I mean, the case is really cute too. You can use this after you're done with the makeup products for something else because the insert in the bottom drawer does come out. So then you just have like a cute little drawer you could put on your vanity. You could use it for travel, whatever you may need. You could even use it on your desk for like stationary things probably. I think envelopes would fit on the top and you could put pens on the bottom. So it's kind of like a multi-purpose box. It doesn't have to be just makeup or beauty. It could be office supplies. It could be school supplies. It could be decorative. So I think this is a nice gift option if you have a beauty lover in your life. So I would say thumbs up for this holiday gift set. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing swatches, a try on, and hearing my impressions on this gift set. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.